Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy. In last two videos, we are discussing about an amazing AI camera-based applications with the help of which you can do multiple tasks. This application primarily have 11 features which is directly related to your AI camera. Those who have missed those videos, they can watch those videos just by visiting the playlist called AI Tutorials with Screen Readers from our official YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video, we will discuss two important features of that application related to text recognition. And the best part of this application is you can understand where the text is visible so that you can capture it correctly and read the text. I have one small document and now I will show you how I use this application to recognize text easily and how I use to read any image which contains text. Now friends, if you are using any other application, most of the application does not support proper guidance. I mean, you cannot understand whether text is visible properly or not. One application is there called Envision AI. There you can get proper guidance to take the proper proper text and proper images. But here you will also get this. But apart from this, there are a lot of applications which you can use to read text by capturing the photo, but unfortunately they are not giving you the proper guidance. So I find this one more application today which is also helpful for you. So without further delay, let's start today's episode. Dear subscriber, if you wish to donate us, you can use the thanks button below of this video, or you can use the details given in the video description below. Every donation helps us to serve you better. So guys, let me open the application. Before showing the demonstration, thank you so much Mr. Pratap Basu for donating us. We use your amount to serve you better and grow together. Now guys, the application name is Sullivan Plus. I opened the application and here you find various modes. So let's go to the text recognition mode.
Tab auto image description. Tab text recognition 3 of 11.
So just I am double tapping here.
Text recognition capture button.
And now it is automatically saying
out of list. Text detected.
Text detected.
Text not detected.
Text not detected. So you can understand.
Text detected. Text not detected.
If I take the picture, then definitely it will announce something. But now I'll just keep
text
my camera
detected.
to this
text not detected.
documents.
Text detected.
And
text
see, this
not
is the document.
detected. Text detected. Capture button. Capture with
Just
the
I
volume
am capturing it.
Page. Eng. V6A.
ইংরেজি এ
ইংরেজি গ্রামার কি? What is English grammar?
ইংরেজি গ্রামার হলো ইংরেজি ভাষা মূল ভিত্তি আবশ্যিক গ্রামার না জানলে
Text recognition. Read detail button displayed. Eng.
So you can
Additional capture.
get these options. Additional capture.
Save image button.
Save image.
Share button.
Share image.
Save note button.
Save note.
Read detail button.
Read detail. Okay, so this way you can use this feature, and this supports various language also, because when I capture this image, you might heard it reads English language along with some other language, but that is Bengali language, so those who can understand, they can able to already understand. Okay, so next feature which is I'm going to talk about is fast recognition. Sometimes what happened in road, we need to fast recognize any text. So how to do that? For that here you have another mode called
selected tab fast text scan. Fast text scan. Capture
here,
button. Capture with the volume keys. Out of
here
list.
you can also capture, but without capturing you can read some text. See,
Address A B
B, C, D, F, G, H, O, 1 alphabet. Date, 2030-103. 31 vowel
Okay,
B,
now
T,
I
O,
am just
G,
going
re
to-
consonant. R letter, C, B, T's minus 9.
Capture button. Capture with the volume keys.
Currency, $7. Address, RTT. CAT T5I, T1. 0.21 WORD 43 TUAT $7. Why do we need word? Alphabet .43 RTT. CAT T5I, T1.
So
Tab,
guys, you
text
can
recognition,
understand
3
that
of
you
11.
can
Tab, auto.
easily get
Tab.
the
AI
image
mode.
recognition.
Capture button. Capture
I
with
mean,
the
not
volume
image,
keys.
you can
Out
get
of
the
list.
easily fast take recognition using this application. Sorry guys, talkback is also continuously saying something. Sorry for that. So I just repeat, with the help of this application you can easily read
Home.
any text and
Microsoft
any
Launcher.
image which contains text properly. So guys, these are two important features related to text of this application. You can use, try and share your thoughts into the comment section. Thank you for watching this video till the end. See you soon in next tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.